What's unique about Waterman Village? Well, I have had the opportunity to work in retirement communities, senior living for over 40 years. My first position was in Ohio with Ohio Presbyterian Homes way back in the early 80s. So I have had the opportunity to work in many communities for many organizations, both for-profit and not-for-profit in several states. I would have to say what's unique about Waterman Village compared to most communities is the fact that we still do offer all levels of living. And what I mean by that is a lot of the newer communities, especially in the villages and some of those areas, have the independent living, they have the assisted living, and some have memory care, but what they lack is the skilled nursing facility, which is important. Hopefully we never need it, but should one of our residents have to be discharged to a skilled nursing facility after their hospital stay, they know they can come back home here, right to Waterman Village. They're not going to be discharged to a rehab center far away from their independent living apartment. So that is something that's important that some people don't realize, that there are a lot of benefits to choosing a community that has not only independent living, the assisted living, the memory care, but also has an on-site skilled nursing and rehab center that is right on campus as well. Waterman Village there's not very many retirement communities left that have a not-for-profit tradition. We are a 501c3 organization, and we are focused primarily on mission over margin. As a nonprofit, yes, we do have to meet our operating expenses, but our board and our leadership are truly committed to operating Waterman Village more as a ministry where our residents' needs come first. The other thing that is unique about Waterman Village is the fact that we have been in existence for 35 plus years. I've worked in a lot of new communities. It takes quite a few years for the community to get established, get the operation going successfully, whereas Waterman Village is very well established and has been here for some time. Another unique feature about Waterman Village is all of our management team work on site. Many of the retirement communities nowadays are owned by a corporation that may be located in Texas or California or Nebraska, where a lot of the decisions are made quite far away from the actual community itself, or it's not uncommon for retirement communities to be managed by an off-site management company that might be located quite a distance from the community itself. Whereas all of our leadership management actually work right on site here at Waterman Village, so they have the best feel for how things go on. They can make decisions that they feel are in the best interest of residents, and I've seen how that really enhances the satisfaction of the residents and the staff as well. Another unique thing about Waterman Village is that we do offer an option which is quite unique for a full-service, progressive living, multi-level living type of community, where you don't have to pay a large buy-in fee or entry fee in order to move there. We do offer some of our independent living residences at quite a low fee that you can move into without having to pay a large fee that is often completely amortized or used up just after a few years of living. I haven't worked at a community that has as many services and amenities on the campus as Waterman Village does. We have a primary health clinic right here. There are 2 full-service dental offices that residents can walk to. There are 6 dining venues. We have our own Waterman Village home care agency, which is really ideal to help people stay in their own independent living places as long as possible. That's right here on campus, which is nice. If they're coming home from the hospital and need some home health care, they can set that up right with Waterman Village Home Care. We're familiar with them, help the continuity of care. We have 3 full-time independent living activity personnel, which is quite rare. I've never worked at a place like that that has that much staff invested for a robust wellness activity calendar for activities and wellness. And when you count in our 2 full-time wellness staff, that's 5 people who are dedicated towards independent living activity and wellness programs, which is great. Our Waterman Village outpatient therapy clinic is right here on site. If a doctor prescribes physical therapy, it's right here on site. Our residents can go to. We have 2 wonderful fitness centers. You can walk to the grocery store. You can walk to the Mount Dora Library, which is a great library. It's not only a good location, but Waterman Village has just about everything one could need to help them remain independent and active as long as possible throughout life right here on the campus.